Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Your Geo account shows an active 5G plan, your SIM is 5G ready, and your phone supports the primary Geo bands. Once done, update the phone OS and carrier settings to get the latest network profiles. Make sure to reboot so changes apply. Next, move to a clear, open spot near a window or outdoors to see real signal gains. You'll act quickly on these first steps, because an up-to-date device in a good location matters most. You now fine-tune device and network settings to capture peak 5G performance. First, set network mode to 5G or 5G auto. If curious, test 5G only briefly to measure pure radio throughput. If performance is inconsistent, reset network settings to force fresh carrier provisioning. Reapply the default Geo APN if needed. Also, stop background sync, disable VPNs, and close heavy apps so the radio isn't burdened. These changes reduce contention and let the modem prioritize high-speed data when the tower grants capacity. You finish by forcing the strongest connection and validating system health. Manually select the Geo network to re-register with a nearby cell that may be less congested, and check for modem firmware or carrier updates that optimize band aggregation. If problems persist, back up data and consider a factory reset only after updates fail. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see low speeds, take speed tests in a different known good location and share those logs with Geo support so they can identify tower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.